Welcome back to another video from your friends at Altitude University. You might think that in order to become a commercial drone pilot, all you need to do is pass the exam. That's an important step, but there are still a few more steps you need to complete in order to obtain your remote pilot certificate. In today's video, we'll walk you through the steps in that process. Before we begin, make sure to hit those like and subscribe buttons so we can continue to provide you with more drone-related content. Passing the Part 107 exam is a significant milestone on your journey to becoming a certified drone pilot. However, passing the exam is just the beginning. There are several important steps you need to take to complete the process and obtain your remote pilot certificate. Here's a detailed guide to help you navigate the steps after passing the Part 107 exam. Step 1. Review your knowledge test report. After successfully passing the Part 107 exam, the testing center will provide you with a knowledge test report like the one I have here. This report is your official proof that you have passed the exam. Don't throw the document away. You should keep this letter in a safe place as you will need it to apply for your remote pilot certificate. Step 2. Create an IACRA account. The next step is to create an account for the Integrated Airman Certification and Rating Application, or IACRA website. IACRA is an online portal used by the FAA to process applications for airman certifications. Visit the IACRA website. We've put a link to the site in the description below. Click on Register and follow the instructions to create an account. During the registration process, you will be asked to provide personal information and create a username and password. After creating your account, log into IACRA with your new credentials. Step 3. Complete FAA Form 8710-13. Once logged into IACRA, you need to complete FAA Form 8710-13, which is the application for a remote pilot certificate. Here are the steps for doing that. Start a new application. Under the Start New Application section, select Applicant. Choose Pilot, and then select Remote Pilot under the certification options. Provide the required information, including your personal details, knowledge test ID, which is on your knowledge test report, and other pertinent information. Carefully review your application for accuracy. Once you are satisfied, electronically sign and submit the application. Step 4. TSA Security Background Check. After submitting your application, the FAA will forward your information to the Transportation Security Administration, or TSA, for a security background check. This is a standard procedure for all applicants. The TSA will verify your information and check your background to ensure you meet the security requirements. There's no need to stress the background check for most people. The TSA isn't worried about speeding tickets. They are looking for significant federal charges like treason and espionage. Step 5. Obtain a temporary certificate. If the TSA background check is successful, you will receive a confirmation email from the FAA. At this point, you can log back into your IACRA account and print a temporary remote pilot certificate. This temporary certificate allows you to begin operating as a commercial drone pilot immediately while you wait for the permanent certificate. Step 6. Receive your permanent certificate. Your permanent remote pilot certificate will be mailed to you by the FAA. It's a small green card that looks like this one. This process can take several weeks or even months. Once you receive your permanent certificate, you should carry it with you whenever you operate a drone commercially, as it serves as proof of your certification. Step 7. Understand and comply with ongoing requirements. Having your remote pilot certificate is an ongoing responsibility. There are several requirements and best practices you need to adhere to as a certified drone pilot. Recurrent training. The FAA requires remote pilots to complete recurrent training every 24 months to ensure they stay up to date with regulations and best practices. This training can be completed online through the FAA's training portal. Record keeping. Maintain records of your flights, maintenance, and any incidents. This is important for both regulatory compliance and personal tracking. Stay informed. Regulations and best practices for drone operations can change. Stay informed by regularly checking the FAA's website, joining industry groups like our Facebook community, and participating in training opportunities. Step 8. Start flying commercially. With your remote pilot certificate in hand, you are now ready to start flying drones commercially. Whether you plan to offer services in aerial photography, videography, inspections, mapping, or any other commercial application, you are now legally authorized to do so under Part 107 regulations. Passing the Part 107 exam is a crucial step towards becoming a certified commercial drone pilot, but it's just the beginning. By following the steps we have listed above to obtain your remote pilot certificate, you'll be fully prepared to enter the exciting world of commercial drone operations. Remember to stay informed, comply with ongoing requirements, and continually improve your skills to succeed in this dynamic field. That's our video for this week. From all of us at Altitude University, stay safe out there and happy flying.